In today's video, I'm going to give you guys the secret sauce when it comes to Amazon FBA product research. In the last 30 days, my Amazon FBA business has done over $140,000. And what I'm going to share with you guys today are the exact strategies that I have personally used to find winning products to scale to that six-figure per month mark. If you guys don't believe me, let's dive into my account. I'm a huge advocate of showing you guys real results from an actual Amazon seller. So that is my second account that is doing just over $48,000 in the last 30 days. And my main account has done just over 92,000. So if you guys are new to the channel, this is the most up-to-date YouTube channel out when it comes to selling on Amazon. So do me a favor, subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and let's get into that secret sauce. All right, so we're going to dive right into it, but I do want to warn you, Amazon FBA product research will make or break your FBA business. So if you do this wrong, you will fail. And so I want you guys to please pay close attention as I break down each individual step. And the first thing that I want to cover is product research 101. So if you guys are a beginner, you guys need to understand how Amazon works and how the Amazon customer works as well. So Amazon, it's a massive marketplace. People come with the intent to buy. They are looking for something specific. They search for a keyword. They search it. Amazon shows recommended products that are relevant to that keyword. The customer, they go, they scroll, they look at it, and based on reviews, price, the customer's needs, they click on it and they buy it. And so as a seller, we need to understand how all that works. And what we do is reverse engineer it. And so our goal when it comes to doing product research is filling the needs of a customer. And that's what I'm going to be breaking down. And that's the secret sauce. All right, so let's come over here and dive into my screen. And what we're going to be doing is using a tool called Blackbox. So I'll put the link down below. You guys can get 20% off for 6 months. And this tool will literally blow your guys' mind. And this is, again, what you're going to be looking for when it comes to product research. So you'll go to tools. They've got 5 million tools, but you'll go to Blackbox. It's specifically designed for Amazon product research. You'll click on it. Then you'll come over here to the keywords tab. And from here, you'll be able to filter out different filters that, again, when I say reverse engineer the equation, that's what we're doing with these filters. And so right here, the first thing is search volume. Obviously, we need customers to be searching for our product. If they're not, then there's not any demand. There's nobody looking to buy that product. And if there's nobody looking to buy, then why would we sell it? So we're going to have at least 3,000 search volume of 3,000 people searching for this specific keyword every single month. The monthly revenue, we want, we'll say $8,000. Again, these aren't super hard numbers. You could do 2,000 search volume. You could do $5,000 monthly revenue. You could do 12,000. So don't feel like you need to do exactly what I'm doing. These are flexible. So the monthly revenue, 8,000, then the price. This is basically what is the price point of the product that we want to sell. So if you have a larger budget, you can go after more expensive products. Or if you have a lower budget, you'll want to go after a little bit cheaper products. So right here, we'll do the minimum budget of the minimum price of 30. And we'll just say the max of $200. Review count, this is where competition comes into play. So again, customers are looking at reviews. And if your competition has 10,000 plus reviews and you have 0, what's going to be a lot harder to compete against that person that has 10,000, whereas if somebody has, let's say, 200. So I'm going to say the max reviews, we'll say 300. And this is my little secret sauce that I want to really help you guys understand the importance of this. And this is the review rating. This is where you can really feel the hole in a market and fill the need and really solve somebody's problem and make a lot of money doing it. So what we're going to do is we want to find products that have bad reviews, but not just bad reviews, products that have bad reviews and are still selling a decent amount. I mean, if somebody has, let's say, a 4-star rating and they're still doing $8,000 a month, that's still incredible. A 4-star rating on Amazon is not that great. We want it to be 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.9. The higher that rating, the better the customer is going to trust us, the better the customer is going to convert into a paying customer. So right here, we're going to put in that the review rating is max 4 out of 5 stars. So that's going to really, really help you. So we got that. Then we're going to come over here to the categories. And this is where you're going to select some categories that you are interested in selling in. Again, there's some categories that you just probably want to stay away from, like appliances, automotive, books, CDs, camera, clothing, I wouldn't recommend. So we're gonna come over here to home and kitchen, kitchen and dining, office products, patio and lawn, sports and outdoors. That's a pretty good selection right there. So we got 5, and then I'm gonna hit search. And then from there, this tool is going to find, as you can see, 33 phrases that fit this exact criteria. So again, we reverse engineered it. We're trying to find what people are searching for. And as a customer, they're looking for something specific. And so we want to fit that need. And if somebody has a 4-star or less rating, well, the customer is not going to be as confident in their purchase. Where if we can go in, find what they're searching for, we see our competition has bad reviews, and we can improve that product, and we can be a 4.5 or 4.6 star rating, well, we're going to convert a lot better. And that's where we're going to make a lot of money in the long run. So right here, we've got 33 phrases. And again, as you adjust the filters, you can find hundreds, thousands of different phrases. And so you can see right here, we've got wipeout, solar powered fan. That's probably not something I'm interested in. Solar fans, or if you have a solar connection, maybe that's something that you're interested in. We got a mobile bookshelf. Not sure what that is, but you can see that it's got 4,500 search. They're doing $20,000 per month. And this seller has 22 reviews at a 3.9 star rating. That's terrible, yet they're crushing it. So that gets me excited, and I'm like, okay, well, this has potential. So we're gonna click on view on Amazon, and this is gonna take us to Amazon, and here is a mobile bookshelf. And as you can see, these are just little rolly shelves that you can store books on and stay organized. And as you can see, the first thing that I'm looking at when it comes to product research is I just want to scroll through and kind of get a feel for the competition. So up here, you can see all these are sponsored, and none of them are super related. I mean, that one is a mobile bookshelf, but it has terrible reviews. It's got a 3 out of 5 star. This one is a 1 star, so 1 out of 5. This one just launched. It's got 1 star. And that one's a little bit bigger. That's just a little bit bulkier. I mean, you could look at launching that. And then this one has no reviews. And if we scroll down more, we'll see this one, 22 reviews, and it's 4.2 out of 5. So that's not very good. Again, for anything less than 4.5 out of 5 stars on Amazon is not great. And that means there's a lot of room for improvement. And again, that's that secret sauce, finding these products. I mean, this one is doing 700 plus units bought in the last month. To put that into perspective, for 700 times by 41, that is just shy of $30,000 that this bookshelf is doing. And if we come over here, you can see that this one that has 0 reviews that's selling for $80, 50 plus bought in the last month. This one has terrible reviews as well. It's got a 4 out of 5. It's selling for just under that $41, and 200 units were bought. So as you can see, there is a lot of demand for this product, yet the reviews are showing and saying, hey, this product sucks. Somebody needs to solve this problem. And so what you would do is you'd click on this and you come to the 2 stars and see like why is it bad? It says not worth the price. It's a good concept, and the only thing on Amazon, again, this is an aha moment, and it's the only thing on Amazon. It's the only thing. It's the only option. So the customer is literally telling you this is the only thing that they could find, so they had to buy it. And so if you go and you launch a product that fills that hole, then boom, all of a sudden you have a potential product that could be doing well over $30,000 if it solves the customer's problem. So you read this and it says, okay, it's the only one on Amazon, but honestly, for the price point, it's pretty cheap. It was easy enough to put together, even without directions. So it doesn't have directions on putting it together. So that's a super easy way to improve it. Just come with directions. Even fully loaded, it knocks over with any gentle push, and wheels won't even roll over a thin rug. So it's super fragile, super gentle. It's flimsy. And so if you can create something more sturdy, that's more valuable, that solves these problems, well, you're going to make a lot of money. So that is the secret sauce when it comes to Amazon FBA product research, is find what people are complaining about. They're obviously still buying it. Literally, the customer said it, and it literally highlights the main things of what's wrong with it. And if we come over here to this one, we'll come to this 1 star. It says can't recommend due to the fact that it falls over. So all of them appear to not be sturdy enough to stand up straight without it falling over. And then the wheels don't roll. And so if you can go and solve that problem, you could probably charge more than $40. You could probably charge $50, $60. Charging more, you're solving the problem, yet you're selling more and making more. Again, that is the secret sauce. So that was as easy as that. In a matter of seconds, we found a potential product opportunity that has terrible reviews, that has good demand, that's selling literally $30,000 per month, and has a lot of problems that we can fix. And so that is the first product. We're going to continue and see if we can find another one, and just see what we come across. We've got a trampoline basketball hoop. So as you can see, it's 3.9 stars, got 236 reviews, sells for $50, and they're doing just shy of 10 grand a month. So I'm going to come check this out, view this on Amazon. And a trampoline basketball hoop, I used to do this all the time, but it was like an actual basketball hoop, where these ones are like something that attaches to like the tramp. So this is kind of a cool concept. And again, you see this one has 8 reviews and it's 3 out of 5 star, and they're doing $600 per unit last month, selling it for just shy of $30. A terrible product that has 8 reviews, 3-star rating, they're selling 600 units. So again, I would do the same thing. This one, 47 reviews. They've got 4.2 out of 5, so not very good reviews. This one has better reviews, 4.4, so that's better. This one's got 4.44, so that's better. This one, terrible, 3.6 out of 5. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to look at those reviews and see how can I solve it? How can I improve it? How can I make this better? And then when I go to launch it, when people come to search for it, I have the solution to their problem. And the one thing that you guys need to understand is dollars follow value. So if you can provide value and if you can solve somebody's problem, they're going to pay a lot of money for it. Case in point, I had back issues. I could not get rid of the pain. I went to chiropractors. I went to physical therapies. I went to doctors, specialists. Nobody had the solution until I heard about this thing called stem cells. And I didn't care how much it cost. And I was like, I don't care. I'm doing this. So I booked a flight literally 2 days before to Miami, flew there, paid a doctor $2,200 for 2 shots, literally 2 shots, got on a plane back the next day, and my back is fixed. That was the best like $4 grand I've ever spent in my entire life because the doctor solved my problem. I would have paid a lot more. I would have paid way more than $4 grand because he solved my issue. And so when it comes to product research, it's the same exact concept. The secret sauce: solve a problem, fill a hole in the market. And if you can do that, people will buy your products. And so many new sellers struggle with this concept because they don't grasp the idea of dollars follow value. They don't understand how to fill the needs of the customer. And they're just thinking about it from their standpoint instead of looking from the customer standpoint and how Amazon actually works. That's why at the very beginning, I talked about how Amazon works and how the customer works. So again, if you can do that, you will succeed with Amazon. So we're going to continue and see if we can find anything else on here. So, I mean, we found 2 products literally that have potential. One of them, like for sure, like it's easy to solve that problem. Here's another one, rat and bar stools, 4,000 search volume. They're selling for $200. They're doing 35K. They've got 3.9 star rating out of 98 reviews. I'm going to click on this. And the reason I'm clicking on this is because my wife bought rat and bar stools and I absolutely hate them. And that's probably what the customers are saying as well. And so basically we're going to scroll through right here and see this one, fairly new. It's got 2 reviews, 25 reviews. So decent rating there. I like how those look there. And I'll just scroll down and see. This one doesn't look like there's as much opportunity, but at the same time, you can see that all these sellers on the first page have fairly low review counts. And that's another thing to look at. And one thing that a lot of new sellers focus on too much is there's a lot of people, and I even in all my product research videos, I talk about finding products with high demand and low competition. And low competition is super important, but so many times people just focus on, oh, reviews, but they're not focusing on the aspect of bad reviews. So if you can find something with low reviews and bad reviews, well, that is the best case scenario. And right here, you'll see that like a lot of these bar stools, they don't have very many reviews and some have 0. And like they're doing really well with it. And so if we scroll down, we'll see that some of them have really good reviews, 4.8, but then some of them, they don't. Like this one, 4.2. This one, decent, 4.5. This one, very bad, 4 out of 5. So again, that's what you're going to look at is the reviews and how can you solve somebody's problem. This one, I'm not super excited about that product, but I could continue to scroll through. Shade sale polls, I don't even know what that is. But I'm going to click on it and who knows, this might have potential. So these are, I still don't even know what it is. It's a poll for shade. And this guy is doing 50 plus per month and he's got 3.9 stars and he's selling it for $170 and he sold 50 plus last month. 50 times by 170. This guy's doing $8,500 with 3.9 reviews, 3.9 star review rating. That's terrible. And then you can see that this seller has no reviews. This one is a newer seller with 24 reviews. This one, 1 review. This one, again, 36 reviews. 300 bought last month at a $240 price point. Again, I'm going to do the math on that. 300 times by $240. This guy is doing $72,000 with a whopping 4.1 out of 5 star rating. These are the holes that you're looking for, and those are the problems that you need to solve. And once you solve it, you will succeed with Amazon. So that's the secret sauce. That's just a different perspective of finding products with just bad reviews that are still doing well and solving that problem and coming to market with something better, improved, obviously responding to the customer's reviews of like, hey, this product isn't sturdy, this product sucks, or this is too cheap, it doesn't come with instructions. Those are the little things that you then do as the business owner to get creative, think outside the box, and solve those problems, and you will get paid to do so. That's the secret sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys want to learn more directly from me and my team, we'd love to help you through the entire process. We'll even find you a product. We'll vet the product. We'll verify the product. We'll jump on calls with you. We'll help you launch the product to page 1. There's a lot to the process and it can be overwhelming, but we want to help you through every single step. So if you guys want to jump on a free demo consultation call, where my team and I will break down how we can help you start a successful Amazon FBA business, click the link down below, get signed up, schedule the free consultation. We'll break it down. We would love to help you just like we've helped literally thousands of people across the world successfully start an Amazon FBA business. And I want you guys to be the next one. So that's the strategy. I hope you guys enjoyed. Take advantage of that coupon down below. Use this strategy and you guys will be blown away with the products that you guys can find, and then you can launch successfully on Amazon. So we'll see you guys in the next one.